What's up everybody, Mateo Riccelli here. We are right now at the Johnny at Westgate Philinvest City, Alabang, Muntinlupa. Today, we have an exciting episode for you, only here on the Philippine Stars Wheels, your premier motoring authority. Watch this.
Good day, Wheels viewers. I'm Cap Maceda Aguila, and I'm here at the Sepang International Circuit. And as you can see, I'm passing by these beautiful cars. What are they? They are Porsches. And we are here today for the Porsche Media Driving Academy.
The Porsche Media Driving Academy was launched to help participants extract maximum performance from Porsches with courses designed to sharpen driving skills.
Hi guys! You're looking at the latest face of the country's best-selling passenger car in the last 14 years. Introducing the 4th generation Toyota Vios.
Additional function also will be the push start system.
Oh,
Something that is more advanced in terms of its class. And then aside from that, we also have the paddle shifters already. And then we also have the eco and then the sport mode also.
The T-junction and the Y-junction.
Next, road narrows.
When you see the sign, it means railway crossing.
Winding road. That doesn't mean there's a snake ahead, but be prepared for some left to right action.
Or in racing terms, chicane.
And this chicane,
Okay. Hey guys, I'm on the way. See ya. The Porsche Media Driving Academy course, guys, this gets me really jealous. Cap flies all the way to Malaysia to the Sepang racing circuit to take it. Watch this.
Although it's a good start, enjoying a sports car's full potential isn't just about driving the vehicle on the racetrack. Rather, it's learning to do it the right way.
good day, Wheels viewers. I'm Cap Maceda Aguila, and I'm here at the Sepang International Circuit. And as you can see, I'm passing by these beautiful cars. What are they? They are Porsches. And we are here today for the Porsche Media Driving Academy. So, you know, being a motoring journalist is a very tough job. So I'm here to learn how to properly drive these things and extract performance from them, and on the way to being a better driver. How's that? See, I told you it's a hard job.
In 2015, the Porsche Media Driving Academy was launched to help participants extract maximum performance from Porsches with courses designed to sharpen driving skills. Before unleashing our 9-country delegation upon Sepang aboard a 16-strong fleet of new Porsches, there are some instructions, reminders, refreshers, and tips to be handed out. And did you know that you also have to be physically ready to excel at motorsports? Phew! After warming up, mentally and physically, it's time for an array of on-track activities. The slalom, emergency braking, and the moose test, or high-speed lane change. Finished off with some satisfying guided laps aboard these simply gorgeous cars. Next day, with the weather cooperating, we get a more intimate appreciation of the racetrack through trail braking, throttle steering, and other advanced driving techniques. Finished off with lap after lap aboard these beauties, where we experienced both the power and poise of Porsche vehicles. It's clear that these cars are bred for the track, but it's also undeniable that the technology behind these awesome machines allow them to be piloted by people other than motorsport drivers. That's good news for you and me who dream of Porsches for the everyday drive. And it could happen, you know.
So for wheels, that's been Cap Maceda Aguila from the beautiful Sepang International Circuit. I'll see you guys soon.
But I think what many people are raving about now is the safety. Could you explain more?
For this all-new Vios, it's already equipped with the complete airbag. It has 7 airbags already.
7 airbags. Where are they?
Driver, passenger, and then we also have the front side.
Front side. Okay.
Yes, and then aside from that, we have the curtain shield airbag.
Okay.
And then there's an additional driver knee.
Wow! So talagang protected ako
Yes.
here, pati sa side may curtain pa.